Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some new colors from Kozmik Nails, and how gorgeous is this? This is called the Rainbow Sorbet collection, and it is so vibrant. It is the perfect pastel neon colors. So here is the Rainbow Sorbet collection part 1, and then check out the black light reflective of these colors. And then here is Rainbow Sorbet part 2, and then again in that black light reflective. Super fun, right? So fun. And then here are the 5 colors that we're going to be using today for the mani. I just really love these colors. They are perfect definitely for spring and summer, and I'm so excited about this collection. And then we're going to add some heartbeat decals to this mani as well, and we are going to be making a set of press-ons and doing dip liquids. And these colors come individually as well, so if you don't want to get the whole entire collection, you don't have to. You can purchase these colors individually, which is super awesome. If you missed yesterday's video, definitely check it out after this mani. It is a mani on short nails, and it is this week's BBB Duo, which is super fun, especially for the upcoming St. Patty's Day. So for today's mani, we are doing press-ons, and we're going to add a little decal to one of the nails just to make it a little bit more Valentine's-y, since that is tomorrow. And then I will not be popping in at the end because we are going to do a watch me do a mani for this style video today. And then stay tuned for tomorrow. I am going to do a Valentine's Day mashup mani series. So basically that is going to be a whole bunch of Valentine's Day manis into one video, kind of like a Valentine's Day marathon. So you can put that on in the background while you are doing your nails, or when you're cleaning or anything like that, just to give you a little bit inspiration. Or if you are looking for some music in the background, I got you covered. And some of the manis in that video you might have seen before. It's just going to be a little Valentine's Day marathon, so I could spend the day tomorrow with my little peanuts and celebrate Valentine's Day with them. And then Wednesday we will get back on track with our normal uploads. All right, so I hope you enjoy this mani, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.